Alright, take your pencil, make sure it is sharp. Can you see that? Make sure your pencil is sharp, and then you draw your eyebrows. Starting from here, you start over here, draw a line. Follow the natural shape of your eyebrows up to there, and then on the upper side, start from here, draw a line, arc it here, just follow your eyebrows shape, and then once it's done, shade. You can fill in your eyebrow. And then towards the front part, and then once you are here, you can do like small strokes moving upwards. Bam! We have our eyebrow. You see, easy peasy. And then let me do the other side, and then you can move on. Once you are done with your eyebrows, take a flat brush. This is a flat brush, you see? It's pressed. If you want to press it like this, you can use clear lash glue. So this is what we are using to clean our eyebrows, and this concealer. Use a concealer and make sure your concealer is original. I'm going to do a video showing original and fake concealers so that you can differentiate. Start off here. Make sure you're moving in a clean, straight line. And then the excess product, you put it on your eyelids. You drag it downwards. This is a simple eyebrow tutorial. You drag it down and then Over here, make sure you clean that excess line. See that? Wow. It is not wow. Do your findings. Make sure you clean and drag the excess product onto your eyelids. Amazing. So for the top part, for this top part, we are going to use a foundation. You can use any foundation that you have. The foundation that you use, make sure it's your shade. We don't use concealer on top because it's so hard to blend it on the forehead. It will leave you looking whitish. So you conceal. The top part. If you have trouble doing your eyebrows, maybe you can try shaving. And then you can take a spoolie or this one and brush like that to give it that natural look. Yeah, we are good to go. That's it. It's so simple. You can try it and let me know what you think. When you do the other side, you just have to match energies. Make sure what you do for this side is what you'll do for the other side. And the secret to perfect eyebrows is just practice. If you don't practice, you're not going to get it. And please comment down below. That's it guys for the eyebrows. Let me know what you think. I'm going to give you videos back to back to back. That's it for eyebrows.